baby shark, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Dolphin friend, where are you? Here I am, swimming to you. Slow turtle, where are you? Here I am, I swim slow too. Octopus, where are you? Here I am, waving to you. Giant whale, where are you? Here I am, saying hello to you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.